Hey there, I'm Coy Bowles from the Zac Brown Band. Y'all know that Georgia's still in a serious drought, and we've all been concerned about the wildfires. So let's give a huge thanks to the men and women of the Georgia Forestry Commission and all the firefighters who've been working around the clock to keep us safe. Be really careful with any kind of spark outside. And if you can't get a burn permit when you need one, it's just not safe to burn. One tiny ember can spark a deadly wildfire, and only you can prevent that.